a patient perspective, many people think one center is the same as the other. It's a laser doing the procedure, and there may be a difference in the pricing, and they often ask why that is. And there are some fundamental differences between LASIK centers. It starts really with the surgeons. For example, one critical question to ask is, how many surgeons are there? How many procedures have they done? What is their experience like? Do they live locally, or are they flying to different centers? Are they available? So, for example, at Maida Custom Vision at Florida Eye Specialists, we have 3 fellowship-trained corneal surgeons who have done extra year of training just to learn LASIK and various handling various complications if necessary. We have over 26,000 procedures under our belt, so to speak, and it's very hard to match that type of experience. We have, in case there's one surgeon out of town, we have 2 surgeons as a backup that can handle any sort of issues that a patient may have. For all these reasons, it's very important to ask about the surgeons. The next level is the technology. At a facility, you want to know what kind of technology they're using. There are varying levels of technology. At our facility, for example, we have all laser LASIK, where the first step of LASIK is done with the laser and the second step is done with the laser. There are older technologies that are still being used in a lot of markets that are not as advanced, and therefore may not cost as much. But obviously, with your eyes and your vision, you want the latest technology that offers the safest and most effective outcomes. And at a facility like ours, which is a physician-owned facility, we're able to keep up to date with the latest technology and really update it on a continual basis. The next step you want to look at is the staff and the experience that patients have. The staff is critical. They're the ones that do the entire workup. They're the ones that help the physician surgeon determine if a patient is a good candidate, and they're the ones that help us in the procedure as well. We're proud to say at our Maida Custom Vision at Florida Eye Specialists, we have staff that have been here for over 25 years, and they have by far the highest experience of anyone in town. From Sarah answering phone calls, from Terry and doing workups, to Dee Dee and Lydia counseling patients, and Dee Dee assisting us in doing the procedure. That sort of team is unrivaled, and it's hard to match. And most importantly, they provide a level of comfort, level of care, level of service for the patient that it's hard to match in other places, and we're very proud of.